Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SCPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the crazy day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down there at the volume and just gigantic volume on the day. It was halted probably about 3,000 times, but nonetheless, a lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one headed into Friday. So what I'm going to do here is just apply the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid, and map out a couple levels that I think a lot of people will be watching. And that's important because when a lot of people are watching certain levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. You know, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have with these areas. So the first level that I think a whole lot of people are going to be watching, especially those breakout players, right up here around $42.25. Now, none of this is guaranteed. My core point here is this. It's more than valid. It's more than rational to think that if the price can work its way up to $42.25 and get the break of that, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. Again, not guaranteed to happen, but, you know, more than plausible to think that, yeah, all right, that's got a chance to occur. On the exact flip side of things, as far as levels of support are concerned, a lot of people are going to be watching that $28 mark, and I'll change that here to green to represent support. But again, same exact logic. While nothing is guaranteed, my point here is that it's very plausible to think that if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then work its way to the downside, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So that's going to be another very important level to watch from the support side of things. Now, if 28 doesn't quite hold up, next key level of support really not until down there around the 23.50 mark. But those are going to be the main technical areas to keep an eye on headed into Friday. But no doubt about it, crazy today. So it'll be interesting to see how this one plays out on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.